A federal judge has temporarily blocked the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, from canceling over $20 billion in climate grants issued under the Biden administration. The judge ruled that the EPA failed to provide sufficient evidence of waste or fraud to justify the cancellations. The dispute began when EPA Administrator Lee Zeldin alleged in February that the Biden administration had placed the funds in an external financial institution, Citibank, which was distributing the money through the Greenhouse Gas Reduction Fund. This fund, part of the 2022 Inflation Reduction Act, was designed to drive private financing to address climate change. Zeldin initially froze the funds before officially canceling the grants on March 11, citing concerns about fraud, waste, and misalignment with the EPA's priorities. Grant recipients sued the EPA for breach of contract, arguing the cancellations violated legal and constitutional provisions. U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan sided with the plaintiffs, stating that the EPA failed to provide clear evidence of misconduct and did not allow grant recipients to contest the decision. During a court hearing, EPA attorneys could only reference media reports but provided no concrete proof of fraud. The judge emphasized that the grants were lawfully authorized by Congress and that the abrupt termination put recipients at risk, with many struggling to cover operational costs and facing possible staff layoffs. This decision comes as the EPA, under Zeldin, pursues a significant budget cut, with President Trump indicating plans to slash the agency's funding by 65%. Meanwhile, the EPA has begun efforts to roll back various environmental regulations, including a 2009 ruling that classified greenhouse gases as a public health threat. Like, share, and subscribe to Daily Times for more news updates.